Hi and welcome back to our Flowzone tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at project types and answering the question, what exactly is a project type in Flowzone? So let's dive into a test system. And here you can see I've got a list of projects. There are 7 projects in my list. One of the columns that I can see is the type column. Now if you don't have that in your view, go across to the spanner icon and you can add the type column into your view. Now the names I've got here are internal, external, basic. There are 3 types that I can see. These names in Flowzone are completely configurable. So when you see types in your system, they should be meaningful to sorts of work that you do, the sorts of projects that you do. Now the key thing to understand about a type is that it's a collection of tabs. And the best way to see what that means is to actually go into some of these types. So let's have a look at the bottom one first, the internal project. And you can see I've got 4 tabs within this project type called internal. If I go to the next one, external, you can see I've got many more tabs. In fact, I've got 9 different tabs in this project type, this external project type. If I go to the next one up, it's another external, so I'm going to see that same collection of tabs, those same 9 tabs. If I go up to the next project, it's a basic, so let's have a look at that. And you can see in this project type, I've just got 2 tabs. If I go to the next one, that's another basic, so that's going to be the same 2 tabs. The next one up is an external, so that's going to be back to those 9 tabs, that collection of 9 tabs for that type. Then finally we have another internal, which is the collection of 4 tabs that we saw right at the beginning. So this is the key point about a project type. It is a collection of tabs. Now there are a couple of additional elements that you can configure within a project type, but the main thing to focus on is the fact that a type is this collection of tabs, and you can have 1 tab, 2, or many tabs within a project type. And each time you create a project with that type, all of those tabs will be available to store different elements of information. Where are these types set up? Well, that's in the administration area. If we go into admin, project types, you can see there are my 3 project types, external, basic, and internal. And if I go into each of these types, you will see a collection of tabs that are configured. So there's my external type, and there's the 9 tabs that were set up within the external type. The basic one, if you recall, had a couple of project tabs within this type. And then finally the internal type had 4 tabs within the project type. So that's it for this video. In other videos we're going to be showing you how to set up project types, how to amend them, and some of the other things that you can include within a project type. Although, to repeat again, the key thing about a project type is the fact that it's a collection of tabs. So I hope that's been useful. Please do check out our other videos and we'll catch you in the next one.